South Africa's driver's license backlog sparks outrage as motorists face mounting delays.
It's lack of planning, because they knew very well long time ago that they're using only one machine in the entire country, so I don't know exactly what is happening. It's a total failure by this government, I'm telling you.
They need to find a better way to print stuff, because you get fined, you have to suffer the consequences at the end of the day if you don't have your license, and there's no use you book and you paying taxes and all of the stuff for things not to work and not to get service delivery.
If they could actually, on a serious note, they could start looking into people that are capable of doing the job and offering the right people the correct tenders, not to give it to their own brothers at the back doors and hoping that things will go accordingly.
Civil society demands urgent action and transparency from government.
We've been saying to Barbara Creecy for some time, and the previous ministers, start by extending the validity period of the driver's licenses from 5 to 10 years. It's a norm around the world. That takes away a lot of pressure off the department straight away. Secondly, tell all law enforcement agencies, anybody who can prove they have applied for their license but do not have it as a result of the inefficiencies of the department, do not have to have a temporary license. Just put that regulation out there. She's got the power to do that, because it is not the public's fault. Those are the first two things. The third thing is, have this tender done now, properly, transparently, involve civil society so we don't make the mistakes again.
Despite having years to sort out the problem, the Transport Department are tied up in knots of their own creation.
We went to Cabinet in 2022, August, where we are asking for permission to go out on tender to procure new machines for the new driver's license card, smart card. So basically that's where we are. The process is in place to find the new machines, but there's been these issues raised by the Auditor General, which we need to attend to. And of course, if we proceed without having to, for instance, go to court, it may be an irregular expenditure, and then the accounting officer would have to explain in terms of how do you make such an appointment when the PFMA is so clear on this matter.
It now depends on how long the court proceedings take to give permission for the Transport Department to appoint a service provider who will supply the machine. South Africa's long-suffering drivers can only hope they'll make the right choice. Theodore Mashele, Johannesburg.